Sanibonani, welcome back to yet another video. Thank you very much for coming. Yabonga kakhulu for joining. Umnkosi nophilile Barbara. Thank you very much, you guys, for uthando and supporting. We are growing slowly but surely. Thank you very much for 5,000 subscribers. Yasifanela nje, you guys, lesa 5,000 subscribers. Ngempela nje uyasifanela u5k. Thank you very much to you guys, all the 5,000 of you. Yabonga kakhulu. Zandla sidlula ikhanda. So now, you guys, sizokhuluma ngoNota Baloyi lapha, you guys, ngoba not namhlanje kulezi insuku uNota Baloyi ungundaba mlonyeni akafuna uphume emlonyeni abantu umuntu yakule publication kunoNota uthi yakule publication kunoNota, so ngeke siyeke ukwenza ama videos ngoba istory suke sihlukile. So again kulesi story kukhulunywa ukuthi uthreathena ke ukusuyisha lapha uMacG uMacGyver Mkwebo siyamazi lapha when it comes to the podcast and chill with uMacG. Kusho ukuthi baye bakhuluma lapha ke benabo so pel. Wow. Soliphenduka ke, you guys, nabanye ke I'm sure lapha on the podcast and chill ke bakhuluma ke ngodaba kaNota Baloyi. Kusho ukuthi baye bakhuluma ngodaba lokuthi ingathi le ntombazana eswisha uNota Baloyi iye yathi no kulento leyo eyenzekile, njengoba kuNota bemvulela icala ke lokudlwengula lapha bathi usisi ngathi uthe no uNota wazenzela umathanda ngathi into ade beyixoxa lapha, you guys, but why kula nama WhatsApp chats sibona ke kunamanya ama conversations okuthi adeletiwe. I think we be discuss lolo daba lolo. Khona ama-chat akade ethi this chat was deleted this chat was deleted. So angazi noma mhlambe bekhuluma ngakho lapha noMacG. I do not know, you guys, kuthiwa ke story nizosifunda ngesingisi ke uNota Baloyi threatens legal action against podcaster ke uMacG. Mhlambe uye wakwatiswa indlela abakhulume ngayo engathi bamsola ukuthi uyenzile lento yena ebethi akayenzanga. Intombazana ethe umndlwengulile uNota uthi ayibo savumelana ngemndlwengulanga lo muntu sasine agreement, right? So bona bathi why kunama chats adeletiwe. I think ingxoxo yabo ilapho. So again, abafethu uNota Baloyi threatens to sue anyone who drags his name over the RAPE allegations that he is facing. Kushuthi nje ungadonsa umxeke uthi wena hayi vele uyenzele uNota uyenzile ububungekho. Asikhulume ngalolu daba kodwa singathatha amaside ngoba besingekho kwazi bona bobabili ukuthi what happened kuleli camera kade bekulo, right? Now music producer uNota Baloyi has been on everyone's lips following those RAPE accusations leveled against him by a top actress alishiwe igama lakhe kule nsuku vele ukuthi top actress. Okay, he appeared at the Randburg Magistrate Court yesterday and was released ngo 5,000 rand bail ke, you guys. uNota ke umaintaina ke innocence yakhe laphana and vowed that yena ke uzosiprova ke ukuthi akenzanga lutho, you guys. uMacG, who is known for his controversial statements on his podcast, he didn't hold back lapha during episode yabo yayizolo ngiyacabanga mhlambe yakuthangi on his famous podcast and chill. When discussing this music executive, uNota could be right in everything he's saying. That's what they said. Nota could be right in everything he's saying, but the moment she said no, it doesn't matter. The moment I say no, akuzange kwaba uNota nje wavele wathi, you know what, for me now it's a yes. Soliphenduka also weighed in and concurred with him. He said the deleted text messages prove ukuthi she said no and pushed him away. Usoliphenduka loyo. A no means a no. That's what he said lapha megcwalisa. While the comments section yona sparked a wide debate lapha uyakazi ka comment section kuba ne debate isikhathi esiningi, you guys, about the RAP allegations. uNota ke na wasethi kuzimoja that he was thinking of pursuing legal options against everyone or anyone who accuses him of a crime that he claims that he did not commit, especially when he hasn't been found guilty. In a tweet, uNota said, Nota accused Sol of making an unfounded accusations and said, I'm weighing my legal options at the moment because there are comments that were made that were not true. Now he is adamant that he is going to prove that he is innocent and that he didn't do it. I'm allowing the law to take its course and hopefully the truth will prevail and I'll clear my name and everyone who didn't believe me will see my innocence. uMacG noSoliphenduka, they can't turn amachillas against me. That was uNota Baloyi laphana uthi bazama ukuthi ke manje mhlambe bathi kumachillas uNota umndlwengulile lo mntwana of which yena ke into angayenzanga, so he's not going to allow anyone ukuthi athi yena uguilty ebe futhi nje bengakamtholi ukuthi uguilty laphana ngase court. Angithi bathi innocent until proven guilty. Yona ke into uNota ayishoyo ukuthi uzoba suyisha labamsukelayo. Now siyabonga kakhulu kulelo daba ke you guys. Let us move on to yet another story ke sizokhuluma ke laphana ngobaba uSolly Moholo njengoba siyazi ukuthi akasekho emhlabeni. Yeah, you guys, may his soul rest in peace. Siyazi ukuthi ukugula kwakhe kwasuka laphana ngaseBotswana ukuthi after ama performances wakhe njengoba wayekugigike laphana kwathiwa ke after lapho intamba mesendlini seyophumula lapho afika khona waquleka something like that, but waquleka or whatever it is you guys. Ubaba wasemhambisa esibhedlela saseBotswana waseke buya ngapha ekhaya eMzansi into ezikanjalo waqala ukugula kwathiwa brain angazi you guys, kwadingeka ke imali zama operation ukuthi baba operate singazi ukuthi mhlawumbe imali ya raise. Wasibonile udaba futhi ngowini mashaba lapha nabantu bethi hawu sisi wasuflya nje wayungasizanga nkosi yami ngaleyo mali. Kuningi you guys. So ke ubaba odlulile emhlabeni usezilalele sesizosala thina sikhuluma sisho kuningi sigxekane futhi sigxekane sizigxekane. Okay, so lapha ke kuthi team yakhe bathi ke bazoyirelease ke le album you guys. Ubaba kade phezulu kwayo kusho ukuthi khona album kade sebenza phezulu kwayo sho ukuthi bafuna ukumake sure ukuthi bayayirelease ke kuthiwa Solly Moholo's new album to be released before his funeral. Bafuna ukuthi nje before beyombeka endlini yakhe yokugcina ke bebe ke sebelikhiphile leli album. Kuthiwa the new album by the late Mkhukhu icon Solly Moholo, who fell ill while promoting it in Botswana, will be released on a Friday. This was announced by his son uThabang Molokwane and his management team earlier today at a media briefing as a social nguve. Kuthiwa ke his manager uGladness Thobagale told the journalist that the gospel artist's album titled Ubani Ozobhebheza will be officially released on Friday as per his family's request. This is according to Thobagale. According to Thobagale, this is to honor him as he was done recording the 13-song Yali album. His son uThabang said that they decided to release his father's album to preserve his legacy. Solly Moholo recorded and completed his last album. To honor his final wish, the family would like to the album release to continue. We are going to make sure that his legacy lives forever. So bazomeka sure ukuthi baya release ngoba kuyinto kade phezulu kwayo leyo. So before bembeka bazomeka sure ukuthi ba release leyo album. Condolences from the president you guys. Kuthi ubaba Cyril Ramaphosa ke has offered his condolences after the passing of the gospel giant ubaba Solly Moholo obena 65, whose real name is Solomon Mojalifa Molokwane, passed away last week after falling ill in Botswana in August while he was promoting an album yake. So Ramaphosa said, I offer my deep condolences to the Molokwane family on the passing of our beloved gospel icon Solomon Molokwane, known to us as Solly Moholo. He provided the melodies, rhythms, and words of inspiration and comfort. Our sincere sympathies once more to the Molokwanes as we reflect on Solly Moholo's contribution to the spiritual and cultural life of our nation as we turn up the volume on his recorded performances. Meanwhile, Ubaba Solly Moholo will be remembered at a memorial service that will be held tomorrow at the South African State Theatre at 11 a.m. and his funeral service will be on Saturday in Acacia Hall in Pretoria at 8. Thobagale also said a transport for the memorial and funeral service will be available for ama-fans wakhe. Kushuthi mangabe uyafuna ukuya endaweni ndlela ukuthi uyofika kanjani, there will be transport available for all the fans who wants to be there. Okuyinto enhle kakhulu guys. So yeah, you guys ilona daba ke ngoba uSolly Moholo bathi bazomeka sure ukuthi album yakhe bayirelease before his funeral is done, before bembeka endlini yakhe yokugcina. This is to honor him and his legacy, something like that. May his soul rest in peace bafowethu. Kwaze kwakubi ke lokho kwenzekile ngoba uSolly, but anyways ngoba indlela yethu sonke akukho kungenziwa. uNkulunkulu phile, uNkulunkulu thathile. May his soul rest in peace. Angathi ngalala aphumule ke. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ubuke le video you guys ngodaba kaNota Baloyi against into ekade ixoxwa laphana nguMakjino soliphenduka neteam yabo ke laphana ecaleni lakhe alivulelwa ke intombazana actress ne musician futhi ke enalolu daba ke luka baba uSolly Moholo. Album yakhe izobe ikhona, so mangabe you are interested, please go and support baba Solly. Thank you so much ukuthi ubuke le video. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, usubscribe, ushare ke sophinde sibonane kwenye video elandelayo. Bye bye.